What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Africa. Hope everybody is doing well. We're going to go over our friend Polygon. We're currently up about 5.5% on the day. Ethereum had a nice little move over the last day or so, so we're going to go over that. We're sitting in a market cap of 7.09 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 731 million. So a little bit of juicy news here. So Binance completes Polygon mainnet integration for deposit and withdrawals. Leading cryptocurrency exchange Binance has completed the integration of Polygon mainnet to support deposit and withdrawals on the mainnet token on the Ethereum scaling network. So Binance users will now be able to make deposits and withdrawals with their Matic mainnet token. They will be able to utilize several DeFi apps such as SushiSwap, Aave, Curve, and Balancer without having to use the Polygon Ethereum Matic bridge at a relatively low cost. So they're making it simpler, more efficient, more cost-friendly for users to use their Matic token on the Ethereum network. So with the completion of Polygon's mainnet integration, Binance has now joined a growing list of reputable crypto exchanges and wallet providers, including Coinbase, OKEx, Huobi, I'm not sure about that one, and Trust Wallet to adopt the network. So awesome to see Binance jump on board, including these other exchanges, showing a strong interest in integrating Polygon and their mainnet. All right, guys, so we're gonna pop into the chart here. So we're going to start here on the 4-hour chart. Now I had drawn out this rising wedge, which we have broken to the upside a little bit here. Now we may head up to $1.15, or what may also happen is we just kind of come back down into our rising wedge here. We've had just a little bit of movement over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin hasn't moved at all here. We are still having a bit of a bearish divergence. As you can see, the price of Matic is rising, and we are still creating lower lows here on the RSI, so do keep an eye on that. If we jump over into the 1-day time frame, you can see we are holding above the 55 EMA, which is a massive sign of strength here. We might see a little bit of consolidation, or what can also happen is we come down, we find support here on the 50 or on the 20 EMA, which is back at about $1, that very strong level of support. So we had a little pump for Ethereum of about 6% over the last day or so. And you can see we've clearly broken out of our double bottom. Now your target is up here at 2,998. Now what you may see is a bit of rollover to find support here on the EMA. You can see here on the 4-hour, we've been beautifully holding support of the 20 EMA. So you might see a little consolidation or a little bit of rollover, or a back test of support down here at about 2,378. That is a possibility as well, but right now we are beautifully holding support. So if we see a little consolidation, if we were to see Bitcoin continue up to about 45K here, then that's when I think you would see Ethereum reach its technical target of about 2,998, or come very close to reaching that target. However, we are having that bearish divergence. We are losing steam. The bulls are losing steam. We're losing momentum, which does give us a strong signal of a reversal in the trend, but it can be invalidated if we break through 42K and we just head straight up to 45K. It could invalidate that divergence. Sometimes divergences don't come to fruition here. We are seeing a decrease in volume, and as you can see on the RSI, we are losing momentum. But if we were to break through 42K, hold it as support, that would give you a stronger signal of heading up to 45. But as long as we see this bearish divergence, it does signify that we're going to see a bit of reversal in the trend. So just keep a close eye on that. Maybe we'll just see some consolidation here with Bitcoin before heading up to 45K. But as long as you see this divergence, that does signify that we're losing momentum, the bulls are losing strength, and it can signify a bit of a reversal in the trend. So do keep an eye on that. As you can see here for Ethereum on the daily, we've come all the way up to the 1.272 extension from our Fibonacci pull from this swing high. And you can see we had our corrective wave down to our swing low, and we've come all the way up to the 1.272, currently hitting as resistance here. We're having the bullish cross, which is a massive signal here. So if we do see a little bit of rollover, we have these levels of support 2406, which is also very close to our neckline of support here if we were to see a bit of rollover. Now, if we do see continuation to the upside, you could use these price targets here at the 1.414 at 2764, and the 1.618 here, which is at 2995, which is basically our target, our breakout target from our double bottom. Hey guys, big shout out to today's video sponsor, Crypto.com, the world's fastest crypto growing app. So many incredible benefits, including their Visa card, where you can get free Spotify, Netflix, you get travel incentives, you also earn crypto. They also have Crypto Earn, where you can receive incredible interest on your coins. USD coin 12%, Bitcoin 6%, USDT 12%. You'll never see that at the bank. They also recently signed a deal with the UFC, so they're being broadcasted across the world and growing rapidly. You receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. Only takes a couple minutes. Definitely check them out. So do keep an eye on that target. I did enter a position when we started to break out a little bit here. Not a huge position due to the bearish divergence with Bitcoin, but I am seeing some juicy gains here. So if you do see some consolidation here and we find support along the 20 EMA, we can continue up to that price target. So we'll end the video with Matic here. So if we do come up and break $1.15, we have that major level right around $1.24, that major level of support and resistance we've been covering on the channel here. And then if we do correct a little bit, we are having this bearish divergence. We are still seeing a decrease in volume here. We're still seeing a little bit of low volume, but that $1 range is a huge level of support for us. Definitely could find support along $1 or 96 cents. I'm going to take this out for now here. I would say around $1 or 96 cents would be our levels of support. It is a weekend, guys, so there's not a lot of price movement, as you've been noticing with Bitcoin over the last 24 hours. So we may just see a little bit of consolidation here before Bitcoin decides what it wants to do. So do keep an eye on $1.15. It is the golden ratio. If we were to break above that, that would be a strong signal of continuation to the upside here. And then your levels of support are here at $1.02 and 98 cents. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope it brought you some value. If it did, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Follow me on social. Check out the Discord. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.